Hey y'all, just pulling into Mr. Portie's house, Portie's garage, checking in on his Project Boxster. He got it painted, helping do that last week, so he should be putting this all together. And let's see how she looks. So when I pull in here, let's give it a shot and see what she looks like. All right, here we are. Let's go check out the port. Oh, we got Charlie here first. Come here, buddy, buddy, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're all excited. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's go check out the Porsche. Let's check out the Boxster. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh. This baby better be all back together, ready to run. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Mr. Portie, I thought you painted about 2 weeks ago and you were putting stuff together. It doesn't look like it's back together.
Wrong color.
What happened?
Did not match. Color did not match.
That's not good.
Nope.
So what do we got to do here then?
Got to sand it all down and get it ready for repaint.
Oh, I think it looks pretty good though. So we're back to square one, having to paint again, huh?
Yeah, good times.
Beautiful. Well, let's, I'll put this down. Let's get started with this. Unless you want to explain what you're doing.
Just sanding down, open it up so we can get ready to put down the new base coat, which does match, by the way. I did a spray out car and it does match the original color. So should be a lot better off this time.
All right, let's hope it works. All right, we spent some time. We've got these things pretty much prepped. We're working here. I think Mr. Portie's calmed down enough. So, Mr. Portie, how about we stop, tell them what happened, what you got to do, and what we did, and what you plan for tomorrow. So let me turn around and we'll go over what happened.
Okay, so here's the deal. Repainted all of this here. It looked great. Sanded it down because you know we had some orange peel, some trash in there. Sanded it down, buffed it, and then polished it. It looked great. But then when I took it out in the sun, comparing this to this and here to here, guess what? We did not match. This was orangish compared to that. So, have to do all of this paint over again. With that being said, I did find a good paint shop, and they actually, I took the fuel cap into them. They took a picture of it, got me the exact right color to paint all this so the red will match. And I've also done a spray out card to double check that to make sure it matched. And now we're good to go. So tomorrow we're gonna repaint all of this and we're gonna paint all of that out there.
So what'd you have to do to these?
All of those needed to be scuffed back up. We used 400 grit and then 600 grit on some of these that just needed to be scuffed. A lot of 400 on this one. We needed to do some repairs on that. So that one, still a little bit of sanding to do on that around the edges, but all these other panels are ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, it looks like you had a chance to fix a couple more, find a couple more things.
Couple more little dings, dents that became apparent after we put the clear coat on. But other than that, I think we're ready to roll. Let's get this stuff in a paint booth tomorrow and get her all painted up again.